Leetcode daily challenge. Question 1877. Minimize maximum pair sum in array. We have an array. We want to find out the sum. Among all those sums, we want to find out the maximum value and try to minimize that maximum. So this is another minimize maximum problem. First, we have array, and second, we split this array into some pairs. Then we do a sum. Among all these sums, we want to find out the minimum one. This is the requirement. So how can we make it minimize for the maximum of all these sums? An intuitive way to do this is we pick a bigger number and a small number. This gonna make the sum as minimum as possible. So the solution here is, first, if we can sort this array, then we pick the first and last element. This is gonna be one example pair for the candidate's result, and we repeat this process until we find out the maximum value, which gonna be the minimum result. But that's the approach we're gonna solve this problem.